Nigeria is you, Nigeria is me. No Nigerians, no Nigeria. No Nigerians, no Nigeria. No Nigerians, no Nigeria. You see, Nigeria isn't geography. Nigeria is you. Nigeria is me. Nigeria is the mind that refuses to recycle excuses. Nigeria is the leader who thinks beyond 4 years into 4 generations. Nigeria is the citizen who transforms criticism into creativity and vision into victory. You know, nations are not built by just hashtags. And the future isn't just in Abuja, but in the mindset of every Nigerian who dares to design sustainable solutions. So I ask, what is Nigeria? You see, Nigeria is the canvas in chaos, waiting for strategy, for strokes of strategy. Nigeria is the riddle. Nigeria is the answer. Nigeria is that stage, a platform for minds ready to transform. Dear leader, reader, doer, builder, if we would think deeply, act wisely, and live boldly, we would realize that from this soil will sprout results that the world cannot ignore. So when asked what is Nigeria, I want you to come not just with complaint, but come plain with unctions to function, with a transformed mind, with inspired results. So when asked, what is Nigeria? I want you not just to come with complaint, but come plain with unction to function for a transformed mind with inspired results. To the transformed you, I ask, what is Nigeria? Thank you.